The next dish is pork fried rice. Of course, you can make the same dish with any protein. Chicken fried rice, beef fried rice, shrimp fried rice, or everything fried rice. You're gonna start in a high temperature cooking oil, 2 turns of the pan, 3/4 of your protein. I used ground pork. You can use chopped shrimp, ground chicken, or ground beef, whichever you prefer. You brown the 3/4 of a pound of pork once your rice is done. I cook my rice in stock, not in water, so the rice itself has a delicious flavor to it. Then I quick cool it in a separate skillet, just because it's easier for most people, a smaller skillet. Scramble up 2 eggs, just beat them. Pour it into the pan and spin the pan around, just like making a crepe. And then let it set and turn the stove off. You don't have to flip it at all. You're making a paper-thin omelet. You're gonna roll the omelet out of the pan onto your butcher block and let that set so it cools so you can handle it. We're gonna chop that up and add it to our stir fry last minute. To your protein, pork, chicken, beef, even tofu or shrimp, we're going to add scallions, 1 carrot shredded, half a cup of peas. Stir fry that and add ginger and garlic. And then we're going to make a simple sauce of hoisin sauce or Chinese style barbecue sauce, couple tablespoons, soy sauce, couple tablespoons, and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Then we're going to slide the rice in and stir fry it. Chop your eggs, add them. When we come back, I'll show you what this looks like and what to do with the leftovers. This steamy beauty right here is our what's for dinner tonight, pork fried rice, which you can make with any protein, seafood, or tofu. What's brilliant is to take any leftover of that, chill it overnight, and then depending on how moist the rice is, you might have to add 1 additional beaten egg. You press it together into basically what looks like a meatball. This is cold, leftover pork fried rice. Then you're gonna pass it through your standard breading procedure, flour, egg, and breadcrumb with sesame seeds in it. And then you're gonna drop it into a Dutch oven with a couple of inches of oil, heated to 350, or these little tabletop fryers, and fry the sesame crusted leftover rice balls.